Good morning, guys. Didn't really want to film that much today, but I'm gonna film basically what I eat in a week, so just like my lunch and my main food. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now and film my meal prep. So these are like the staple ingredients I have for my main meals. Got some free range chicken breast mince, some brown rice, sweet potato, onion, and frozen veg. I like to eat very simple. I don't know why, I feel like whole food, simple foods are better. But yeah, I'm just gonna cook up something for the week. So these are my meals for the week. I only meal prep up to Thursday as I have a lunch order on Friday, but it's still healthy. It's really yummy. This combination is honestly my favorite. Like, I wish you could like smell this and taste this right now, guys. For snacks, I love to have something sweet, so I just have this Food for Health fruit-free bar with coffee and cacao, and I always have a piece of fruit. I usually switch between strawberries, blueberries, apples, and bananas. Here are some of my other favorite snacks. I love Corn Thins, lactose-free yogurt. I like the little cups as it's good for portion control. And then just some granola with that. It's recording. Hey guys, this is the situation we're having right now.
I love the miracle of life.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye there.
Ew! How good it is to
we're just having a snack of some popcorn.
healthy snack. Cheat day.
We popped this ourselves from the grains of Organica. And this is look at the
true.
green. That's my green juice.
It's our cheat day.
That's our green juice.
It's our cheat day.
It's green juice. That's my kale juice.
Subscribe.
Nikita's YouTube channel. Subscribe.
You make me famous.
Catherine_Trippiano on
I want to be famous.
Okay, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching today's YouTube video. Make sure you like it, comment down below for any video ideas, and hit that subscribe button. It will really support my channel. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.